Hi there, students. A watched pot never boils. Okay, this is a proverb. Let's see. If you take a pot of water and you put it on the cooker and you put it to boil and you go back and you stand there and you watch it and you wait for it to boil, it seems to take absolutely ages. But if you go off and do something else and come back a few minutes later, 5 minutes later, suddenly it's boiling. And this is the idea. When you want something to happen, if you're concentrating on it, paying attention to it, it seems to take forever. Yeah, the wait will feel much longer. So something that you're waiting for is not going to happen quickly. Yeah. Okay, so this is an old adage, yeah, which, yeah, if you're in a hurry for something to happen and you'll keep watching it, you're impatient for it to happen, it just seems to take ages and ages and ages, yeah, and you need to just go off and do something else and you come back 10 minutes later and it's happened. Yeah, it's saying that time passes slowly when you're waiting for something to happen and it's the only thing that you are thinking about. Yeah, and this is the idea of a watched pot never boils. I think this phrase itself is maybe a little bit old-fashioned, but it's still perfectly good. Yeah, so if you're really keen for something to happen and you keep refreshing the page or you keep going back to look for it, or you're waiting for a letter or some news, it seems to take ages if you keep watching it. But if you're just patient and do something else and try to put it to the back of your mind, then it will just happen all of a sudden. Yeah, so being worried about something doesn't hasten things. It doesn't make them happen any more quickly. Yeah. So yeah, and I think this is a very true saying. Maybe you want to speak perfect English in a week, but no, let's see, you just keep concentrating at it, keep working at it, and suddenly you'll find your English is boiling. As to formality, it sounds a bit old-fashioned. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, but I think you could use it just about anywhere. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A watched pot never boils.